Hello, West Michigan. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, and today's message is going to be a brief one. I just want to tell you thank you. It's been a year this week since we had our first cases of COVID-19, and it's been a long year. It's been a long year for all of us, but let me tell you that when we were watching what was happening in China and around the world last year, what we were seeing and what we were concerned about was that we were going to have a mortality rate similar to those areas. And for us here in Kent County, that could have been 6,000 or 7,000 of our family, friends, and neighbors being gone over the last year from COVID-19. Now, thankfully, it didn't happen. To date, we've had 651 deaths. And as tragic and heart-wrenching as that is for us, to have lost that many of our family, friends, and neighbors, the numbers could have been a lot worse. And I know the reason why they haven't been, and in large part it has everything to do with you. It has everything to do with you, the people who helped us during the course of the past year. You followed our public health guidance, you did what we asked, and you made it difficult for this virus to spread from person to person. I can't tell you how much I appreciate all of you for all of the work that you've done this past year. And also for those who are our healthcare partners at hospitals and other medical centers throughout West Michigan. You've done an extraordinary job. You've learned from other places, you have developed new technologies and new tools, and you have done your very best to make sure that sick people get to a successful, healthy outcome, and I'm very grateful to all of you as well. So thank you, everyone. We've come a long ways. And we've got a little bit of a ways to go yet. Very thankful that we have vaccine now, and it's really remarkable that in the course of less than a year, 3 safe and effective vaccines were developed. That's unheard of. It really is. And the fact that production of those vaccines is ramping up, and we've already vaccinated over 100,000 Kent County residents, and I expect, and what we hear from our vaccine forecasting is that over the course of the next several weeks, the supply of vaccine is going to dramatically increase. And so hopefully by the time we get to May or early June, we will have had an opportunity for every resident in our area to be vaccinated. And so that's very encouraging. We're going to get through this. We really are. It's going to happen soon. In the meantime, I really do want you to continue with those public health recommendations that we've been sharing. Continue to wear a facial covering when going into public places. Be careful of those social gatherings. The hand hygiene is so critically important as well. We're getting very near to the end of this. It would be tragic if we had a setback at this point. Let's do what we can. Let's keep doing those simple things to make it difficult for this virus to spread. In the meantime, here at the Kent County Health Department, along with our partners at our hospitals, pharmacies, and so many others here in West Michigan, we're going to do our absolute best to make sure we get that vaccine and make it available to you as soon as possible. And so I encourage you to please stay patient, stay calm. The vaccine is coming. You will have an opportunity to have an appointment very soon. And please stay positive, stay heroic, and stay healthy. And I'll talk to you again very soon. Thank you for all that you've done this past year.